guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. And take a look at this. Bitcoin is currently surging towards the upside. We are in like some sort of 1-2-1-2 count here to finish off this fifth wave, in my opinion. Probably going to enter the 114 to 126 area here, or 114,000 to 126,000. This is where I think Bitcoin is going to find some sort of sellers, and if it does break through, then I guess, guys, you're just mooning. You should be long and stay long. We are in some longs inside the Discord, so if you guys want to get access to my trades, you can sign up with the link in the descriptions. The altcoins are getting a nice little boom as well. We're starting to see some bidding there. And the reason is we're looking for those targets at 114, 126. You can see here we have some resistance coming in right at 114,000. Or sorry, 113,900, and if it does exceed that, you have 117, and then these are just the spider lines right at 124. So if you get this big blow off top move, these are the areas of resistance to take profit at. And then really, right now, when you take a look at Bitcoin on the on Market Cipher, it's very bullish indeed. -5 and 18 on the dual band strength index, super big green money flow, 12-hour big green money flow, 4-hour big green money. Actually, no, you don't have super big green money flow on the 4-hour, but that's okay. The larger time frames are supporting you. So yeah, you could technically get a big move up and then a big move down, right? And depending on how big the move down is, you could definitely recover from it, but it would be like some sort of 1-2 setup, and you could call the low in. Now, if you get this big move higher and you flush down the whole leg, right, and then you bounce and you make a lower high, then this is still a B wave, and it's going to finish off in a blow off top move, which is kind of what's happening right now. You're erasing divergence again on the daily, and this Bitcoin is going higher, right? It's taking out its highs, it's continuing to pump. And at the same time, on wave edge, you're not seeing any selling, right? You're not seeing sellers here. You're not seeing anybody sell. So you're in price discovery mode. This is not the time to short, right? You have the only areas you have to short are the target areas for the spider lines here. 114 and 117 and 124, right? So those are the only areas that you could possibly short. And other than that, I don't really see any other ones. I mean, you have the new blue spider lines from the previous cycle that I drew. And you have those ones to take a look at, but again, this one did not hold, and they haven't been holding up that well. You've seen some of them react, right? But not a whole lot. Maybe during consolidation periods they'll be better, but I would look at the white lines for major resistance and major type of support. So let's see what happens. Overall, very bullish indeed, and we're going to continue to be bullish until the trend breaks. But again, overall, our performance this year has been amazing. Our calls have been amazing. Peace.